Hey guys, in this video we're going to be showing how to download your ChatGPT Plus invoices. This is very easy, and that's what we're going to show you today. So first step, I'm going to make this smaller, just put it here on the right. And first step will be obviously to go into chatgpt.com, and first step, go on this button, on this profile button on the bottom left, click on it and go into settings. Once you're here, you'll go down this menu and go into the account section. And then here on this payment section, go into the button manage. This will open the Stripe, the payment portal URL to the actual payment portal, which if you scroll down, you'll see the invoice history, right? Even if I want to download one of these, I just click on them. This will open a new tab, and I can just then download the invoice, download receipt, and if I just click here, I see the PDF downloading, right? So if you actually have lots of invoices, this is a waste of time, which you have to do every month. So I'm going to show you a method on how you can automate this invoice download. We're going to be using software called Tailride, right? And what Tailride does is that it allows you to extract invoices from websites using a Chrome extension, which uses AI to fetch these invoices, right? So basically, I already have an account, so I can show you how it works. Here, you can see that I already have some invoices. So the first step to download our ChatGPT invoices will go here, click on install extension, and basically you need to install our Tailride Chrome extension, right? This is what will allow you to download all the invoices from different portals. I already have it, so I'm just going to click on open extension. This will open this pop-up, and you can see here a list of portals, which are all the ones that we currently support that you can fetch invoices from, right? Here is ChatGPT. You can see that it just 7 minutes ago it fetched one invoice. That's because I was recording this video, and then I had to re-record it. So the first step will be for us to download the current invoice so that we can now test it again and re-download it, right? So we're going into settings, and then here just remove this OpenAI invoice, right? Then also from our account we will need to delete it, because basically what Tailride does is it sends the invoice to your dashboard and it will show up here, right? So you can see that, I just need to now to download this invoice, and I'm going to click on delete permanently, right? So now we've done this, and I'm going to just open the extension again and click on ChatGPT, right? So what this does is it directly opens this new tab, which is basically the same OpenAI page we manually accessed before, but we don't have to do anything else, right? It will download all your invoices there automatically, and when it's finished, it closes the tab, right? As you saw right now, that we weren't doing anything, and the tab closed automatically, right? So that's what it does. And now if I open the extension again, we should see that just now it fetched one invoice, right? And if I go into my dashboard and I reload it, I should see the same invoice that we just removed, right? So you can see it here, and I can just preview it, and you can see also that Tailride automatically extracts all this data from the invoice that then we can just maybe send into spreadsheet or send to a Google Drive. We can do anything from this. So you might be asking, why did it pull only one invoice, right? Because in my account I currently have only two invoices, right? And one of them is from March 7th, right? And on my extension I currently have set up that only invoices after this date will be fetched. So it completely ignored the March invoice, and it only extracted the very recent, the August invoice, and sent it to my account, right? So this you can do for any of these portals that are listed here. We add new portals too, but you can see that if you have lots of invoices, you want to catch up on all the invoices, this is a very easy way to do it, and it works very reliably. So just go into tailride.so and you can just get started for free with an account and test it out.